Today is July 16. It's my birthday.
Your birthday. Oh, it's your birthday, yes, isn't it? I filled the date in today because I had an email from Sheldon Road. They wanted an update on your particulars, that's right. So you had to start with date of birth. Well, that was easy. It's today's date. And
Yep.
then your language, English. Do
They're
you
ask-
need an interpreter? No. That's it. Done.
Why they ask me the Sheldon Road? I didn't.
Because they just keep their records up.
Oh, I'll be
That's
thinking
all.
that my doctor is asking me related to my eyes for the cataract operation.
No.
Oh,
Just
thank you.
Just for their records.
Oh, okay.
Make sure they're up to date.
Okay.
They will know how to contact.
That's an email that Malapeter says that he received an email from the Sheldon Road. Sheldon Road that we're talking about is related to the my GP is there, which is when I come in there because related to my cataract operation at the time. Then
Yeah.
now we are here. That's the church that we attend the mass most of the time. English Martyrs Catholic Church. But because our car is clear, it's not any malfunction. That's why we only visit now because we come to the church for my birthday, which means the visit only because there's no mass in here. That's the church, English Martyrs Catholic Church. I don't know if it's open now. Yeah, it's open. It's open. So I think it's open lang. No, I will not include that. Okay. Bye for now. We just stop because we'll just visit the church. Bye for now. Bye. Open for viewing Sistine Chapel Sailing Shop and Souvenir. I remember in Rome. Sistine Chapel. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thanks, love. Are we going anywhere? Not anywhere. Somewhere far.
Huh?
Far, but we just only sightseeing. Then we will eat. After we just spend we will waiting for the bus.
Just
The
waiting
sun
for the
is
bus.
come out again.
Yeah, typical.
Yeah. I will include you as well, Malapita. We finished already.
It's already.
Go.
Offering.
Wait, stand by for a while.
Finished in the church.
We finished visiting in the church. Light in the candle. I don't know what's the one I pray. Lord, Abba Father, thank you for today is my birthday. Thank you so much, Lord. I forgot what the one I just prayed there because we were just interrupted by the guy in church because I know they will have people are coming. Those people are coming, are visiting, and they want to know exactly because it's known this one, the Sistine Chapel, right? And that's the reason why that they open now Monday to Friday only. I think, right? OTTH or MWF. I can't remember that. And then some people they come in to know when it started, the guys talking about 18th century, right?
Yeah.
And it started already when putting that sentence shop, like I don't remember, because we light the candles. That's the way that woman is say thank you to us, and not knowing that we just only visit, you know. We don't know that there's something that they discuss about that woman that know that we're attending the mass there most of the time. Yeah. Well, anyway, Mala Peter is the one in charge to off this. But not yet off because I know we're going there across the road. Okay? Okay? Okay. We're just...
You going?
Keep going? Okay, we're going. You're the one that just filming.
Oh, we missed the bus.
Huh? You missed the bus?
We don't know whether it's a big one. No, it's a little one.
No, that one is... We don't know. Maybe that's the bus for Little Hampton or the bus for...
Not Arundel, would it?
Or... I don't know. Oh, nice car.
Huh?
Nice car.
Oh, blimey.
There's no... Wait, I'm holding you. No, there's a bus here.
Ah.
I mean, a vehicle.
There's a car. Two cars. Three cars.
Nothing.
Nothing. You're alright. Easy peasy. Easy peasy.
Okay. Just include that lang. What? 18 minutes?
How many?
Just include that bit. I'm done. This is the bus stop we're waiting for. We visit already that church over there. English Martyrs. Ah, there's a bus. No, that's not going to the town. Working Pier, love.
Well, stop.
That's going to Working Pier. Ah, we don't know, love. The number 8. We don't know that number 8. Yes, it's Working Pier. But we don't know where they're going that day. No, I never be right in the number 8. Now we have to wait na lang, 17 minutes. That's another bus. Oh, Little Hampton, number 11. That's going to Asda. Okay, 17 minutes to wait.
Okay, 17 minutes to wait.
There's no Arundel there. All are 701. Okay. This is the bus stop. Oh, title ka da, lab. Dale's 559. What's that? Selected drinks. There, oh, Dale's.
Real good yield cost £5.59.
Oh, we have to stick the one that we have. Is that okay?
Yeah.
We have to stick that. There's no drinks.
Stick for me. There is a drink.
Yeah, but that is small cup. I have my water that I bring. Okay, that's all for now. That's the one my favorite. Oreo. McFlurry. That's my favorite ice cream. That one, no? Oreo.
Medium fries, select saver burger.
Ah, it's not that.
That's no.
The Big Mac is big. Three burger. Ano? What's that? Beef. 3 beef. That one is only 1 beef. The toilet only 1 beef. No, I'm not buy that one.
Plus, choose a side. Only flavor.
That's mango pie. I think that one. Okay. Okay. I think that's all for now. That's the bar. Okay. Okay. Bye for now. Very hot? No, I'm not going at the back. Okay. Bye for now. Bye. Come on. No, I will not just go. I return my scapular. I bring that there. I bring that to you first. I'll be back. Is that okay?
Do that, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm just filming, but I will just include Cleo. Today is my birthday, July 16, 2026. I'm already 68 years old. Pretty old, but I'm still okay, fine. And I still have a little bit strong. Maybe because I have a military training long time ago, and maybe that's the reason why. Oh, there is a manure again. I cleaned last time in. That's Cleo. Hello, Cleo. I cleaned you last time. It's still dirt, but it's not properly clean. This is our car. So sad, somebody just must in front. That's the side over there, the seat of my lapita there. Front seat. What I mean is driver's seat. Right side of my lapita, including the wire there. Somebody smashed our car. But because of my friend, my companion in the car in the Philippines, because I plan, I said I have to find a person, you know, a psychic or medium, which don't know whatsoever. I plan to know who did it. The car is just in here all the time, you know. There's no harm to them. Why somebody smashed our car? It's a big question. Maybe that guy is thinking that it will happen to him or her one day. We don't know who's the one who did it, a male or a female. Maybe his or her thinking that, oh, he's happy he did it, something smashed the car, not belong to him or her. It's in the Bible. Do not do unto others so that others will not do unto you. And God will punish whoever the guy who did it. This is the one, somebody, a nice couple, you know, they let us borrow the tarpaulin just only to cover the smashed window, the driver's seat of Malapita. It hurts. It really, 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 really hurt on what you did, on somebody who did this. And I just wondering, who did this one? It's another one. Peter cannot drive anywhere because I know he will not pass the test. He didn't went into that, you know, to apply for renewal for the I test. That's the law in this country, United Kingdom. And that's the reason why Peter didn't go there, because I know he cannot pass the eye test. So Peter is happening this is puny with his mask up, but that's not like this. This one. Who did this? Look like this one, no? A little bit, no? When I look at that far, you can see that look like somebody like that, no? I don't know. I'm only guessing with that side, but this one, not guessing. Somebody who did it. Let's look at that. Scratches here. Look at that. Scratches. Hmm? This one, I have no clue. Hmm? Oh, look at that. Look like a key, or maybe near, and it hits the side in here in the front seat, which I'm the one sitting in here. I cleaned last time, but still dirt. But I plan to clean back before what to be decision of Malapiter. Maybe it's the right time to call for the scrap people. Scrap people I'm talking about. In here in United Kingdom, there is a place where the car will be flattened. I saw the insurance, and I observed as well there's a crack in here. Oh? That one? I don't know who did it. I don't know. I have no clue. Well, Cleo, I have to go. Malapiter is waiting there, waiting for me. I will clean you back soon po, okay? Bye-bye, Cleo. Bye-bye. It hurts. Really, really hurts. Bye, Cleo. I'm not trust this place in here because we don't know who did it, insider or outsider. That's a place there outside. That's the bus stop over there. There's a car coming. I'm not including. That's our grocery now. Hala Peter, you just buy for me. That's my new for the winter. Two of them, black and pink. I just remember when my school days when I was in college. Lourdes College, run by RBM, religious. Lourdes College, run by RBM, Religious of the Virgin Mary, exclusively for girls. That's the school that I'm studying long time ago. Here, what place there in the place over there is born? You show me at the time then. There's a school there. It's exclusively for girls. What's that school then? Hi. What's that school? They're in Shoreham. Oh, no, not Shoreham. Eastbourne. I can remember you said that to me. That's only for exclusively for girls. This is the school that I studied before. That's why I'm thinking about this pink. Yes, I'm thinking this pink. Later, you sit down there. You sit down for what? That's our grocery. You tell me because I will drink.
Oh, I don't.
Tell me. I will drink. This is my favorite. This is caramel iced tea. This one, I like this one. I have to finish that. We tried me and Mama Peter. This is first time I taste apple.
I can't see it.
Sprite apple. That one.
I can't see it properly. Yes. Read anything.
This is the one. Cannot see properly though. Yeah. I'll be here so I can see it properly. This is the one that we went into McDonald. This is what's that lab? Sprite and apple. Apple and Sprite. That look like mix, you know. This is my first time that I drink this one. So made Malapeter. I just bring because I will use this cup. The other one is caramel. That one is caramel iced tea. Now it's time for me to drink. The remaining I put into. I finished the first. This is my favorite in McDonald's. Caramel iced tea, I think.
Caramelized.
Yeah. We stumbled forward because we have to add more, a little bit only, because it's few only the filming that we had. We cannot filming in St. Mary, no, not St. Mary Daniel's Catholic Church. It's Amy's Martyrs Catholic Church. There is a Sistine Chapel, look like copycat in Rome. Now they open up Monday to Friday, I think, or NW or TTH. 2 to 4, they only open that there. And there people will come in there and ask to know how they started and this church was built, when like that. Only now that there's a guy, they're thinking that will be included there. Not knowing that woman, that we are a church goer. We attend the mass there, remember? We attend the mass. Malapit us, come back na hika. If he will not eat, there's no hika. But if he will eat, there's a hika. Now, it's not that you will not eat. They become weak, the same as this morning. That I don't want to go out. I said, I go out. I said, love, we have to go to that town, you know, I'm going to, lots of changes that we plan for. Supposedly going to Brighton. I want to buy that noodles. But that's only tentative about the noodles. Only going to Brighton. But I changed my mind when I was in the kitchen. I said, no, love. I went back into the lunch and I said, it's okay that we're going to lunch. I visit the church only. It's my birthday today. In the Philippines, if there is a mass, I will attend the mass. If I'm okay and fine, that's what people do there. But you have lots of things to do, or whatever you just have on that day, you cannot do it. Well, you have to thank the Lord that you're still alive. I thank the Lord that I'm happy that me and my Peter will go out now. The previous weeks, it's a little bit weak. Shame as me because of the heat wave here in United Kingdom, and that's the reason why. Don't you know? I'm still frankly in the news. 2,700 died last May and June because of the heat wave here in England and Wales. That's only England and Wales, huh? How about in the other European countries? How many died because of the heat wave here? Now we are now only half of the summer. July now. Today is July 16, 2026. I cannot say it anymore because I'm full. Whatever it is, Thursday, and the time now is 5 to 6 o'clock in the evening. We come home na lang because supposed to be we're going into the after amusement, but I'm thinking, no, you have lots of people there, you cannot do it there. Aside from that, it's small only, they will put in there the prices. Why? Because summer now, lots of kids going there, parents, whoever, male or female, young or old, they will come in there because of the sunshine. They only glance the place there. What are the products that they put into that machine, We could that machine, right? That's the reason why I said no. It's nice to, huh? We could what?
Slot machine.
That's what Malapita says. A slot machine. No. Nice if you come in there winter. Because the prices there that they just put, or the items they put into those 10p or 2 pins like that, that you just put into that machine and whatever you can get. What's that? Is that ambulance or police? Let me see, that's the road over there. We can see that. It's an ambulance, I think. Oh no, it's a police. Oh God, every time. Guys, for those who watch this video, I must tell you frankly. If this is, me myself, I was born in this country. I think I'm a policewoman this time. The reason why is, in our country, if you are a policewoman, you should be 5'3" up your height. I'm only 4'11" and 1/2. I'm not reach 5, so I'm not qualified. I'll be disqualified if I continue or studying criminology. My classmate in college, when we graduate at the time then, 4 years, because I graduated in Bachelor of Arts, major in Secretarial Science, ABSIC. I graduated that 4 years. Now my classmate, she's not close. We only classmate in other subjects. She's telling me that, Melly, we finished today. We have some of our subjects are credited already. We only get the subject Crim 1, Crim 2, up to Crim 10, I think. Crim 8, like that. That's, related to criminology, crime scenes, whatever. Maybe that's the only that we need it for. We'll study in, now it's already Cagayan. Is that Cagayan? Long time is Cagayan Capital College. Now is Cagayan University, I think. Cagayan Capital University, I think. I can't remember now because this changed. A lot of changes this time in our country, the Philippines. One talking about the place that I just lived long time ago in Cagayan City. If I'm only saying this, because why? Every time I saw some police cars, like that, especially police woman, malapit a long time ago when we lived formally, not here, formally. When he going to the town, he was shocked because he's thinking I'd be beside him in the town. I was there running into two of the police woman and standing there. I want to be just only like that, to level for their shoulder, And I said, oh God, she's a police woman, the same as height of me. So if I live in this country, I think I'm a police woman this time. I think now my father is a military. Now, some of my classmates are, they're going into the military. Some. And I'm a classmate who's also a doctor already. And then, Papa says that if you want to go into the military, try. And some of my friends, they're telling me, "Hoy, Millie, you will not be qualified because of your height. You will be disqualified. Even only walks, women's auxiliary. That's my plan. Supposed to be long time ago, but I didn't decided. That's the reason why. That's why the police car has just passed by. I'm thinking. I'm thinking that's the ambulance, but it's a police car. Okay. That's only that I just said a little bit because there's a police car passed by. I'm thinking myself that maybe this time I'm a policewoman. Maybe, I'm just only saying that. But my brother who is an investigator, he's a barangay tanod in Tepolo, Cebu, Philippines. He just challenged me. She's just telling me, you will not pass if, your instructor, they put you into the cemetery alone at midnight. You know what? My parent telling me that. He's just saying, the reason why I tell you this, because I know you're eager, you wanted to become a policewoman one day. If only you're qualified. Manong says about that. One of the instructor, they will put you into the cemetery, in the middle cemetery. I'm just listening. Manong says, if the bad guys hiding into the cemetery, you were not afraid of those bad people, and you were not going there. My friends love, no, not friends, friend, the one she telling me that we will, transfer or, continue schooling in the school that they have. I have a course of criminology. She telling me, "Oy, Millie, because you are fast in typing, you'll be in the office because of the course that you just graduated. You'll not be in the field." I'm just silent at the time. Well, that was before. I only thinking about that now because, how nice. You're thinking your ambition long time ago, it didn't happen. But no regrets. I'm happy that, what I achieved, on what I just received, given by our Lord. That's all I just said. I think that's the bus. No, it's not. It's not the bus. This is we call it orb. And that's the car passed by there, the bus passed by there, and the bus stop over on the other side over there. And our place, we're over there. Okay, I think that's good for now. Okay, bye. Bye for now. Bye. Shall we?
Yeah, well, in a minute. Well, in a minute. Hi.
Okay.